Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Shotgun Red. I'm Jennifer.
I'm Sheila.
And this week we have something really good. We're going to
Yes,
make
a
slow cooker chili mac.
Right.
And it is absolutely delicious, super easy to make, and you know, it feeds about 6 people in good hearty bowls. You're going to love it. I don't know about you, I like chili mac.
I love it.
Were you raised on chili mac?
Of course.
Who wasn't raised on chili mac? It's delicious.
I know.
Yum.
I love it.
It's super easy to make. Most of you have all these ingredients and you're gonna love it.
What size is this?
This is a 6-quart crock pot. So,
Because people ask that a lot.
oh yeah,
What are you cooking in? How big is it?
a big crock pot. And we always have the
It's
link.
good for a big family.
Well, we always have the link right below too. So,
I can see it in here right now.
I know. So we're gonna show you how we do it. Okay, so we got our skillet here on medium-high to get going, and we're going to add
Some olive oil, about 2 tablespoons of olive oil.
and of course our wonderful sweet onions. A lot of our recipes are like this, we know.
It starts out like that, and they never know what it's going to be like until the end, do they?
Yeah. So about a cup of diced onions. That's right, they never know what they're going to get from this point. Then I have some minced garlic.
Yeah, so about 2 teaspoons of garlic.
We're just going to mix that up and let it cook. And then we're going to add a pound of lean ground beef.
Now I know why they call it a pound, because you pound it.
Exactly. I chopped that puppy up. That's so funny. That all chopped up there. Get it browning. You know, and I always like to add a little bit of your favorite word.
W sauce.
The W sauce. So, yeah, hand me some of that there W sauce, would you?
Right. Here you go.
Get the rest of that chopped up here. Okay. All right. A little bit of W sauce. Ah.
There it is.
All right, so we're going to continue to brown this up. Once that's browned up, we're going to just turn off the heat. And now we have a pre-greased crock pot.
And now we're going to put the meat back in.
We're going to put the meat in.
Grease and all. Which is not much grease because it's lean.
Exactly. All right, we're going to add some chili beans. And I like to use the Bush's chili beans. And this is Bush's with the kidney beans. I prefer the kidney beans. And I'm also going to add an additional can of kidney beans.
Those are good for your kidney, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really good for the kidneys. Yeah, you can tell we're getting slap happy. We've been cooking all day.
Yeah.
Some diced tomatoes.
Yes. Now, here comes the crushed tomatoes.
Tomatoes, yeah. Add that in there, get that out of there. I'm just going to mix that up a little bit. Oops. Flinging it all over the place.
You're getting messy now,
I
Jim.
know. For some reason, my spoon just keeps slipping and I keep like splashing it everywhere. All right. And then we've got
1 tablespoon of chili powder and 1/2 teaspoon of cumin.
And then
1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper.
we're just going to sprinkle that in there and mix that all together. Well, almost forgot. And then we're going to add some beef broth.
Right.
And in this box is about 4 cups of beef broth. So what we're going to do is we're only going to add about half of this box, which is 2 cups. Now we're going to mix it together.
Yes. And then
She's like, just hurry up so this is done so I can eat.
Yeah, the secret ingredients last.
So we're going to cover that. And we're going to program that for, oops, wrong way, 6 hours on low. And we'll be back.
Wow, look at that. It smells good.
It does.
Yeah.
Just going to mix it up a little bit here. And now we're going to add our large
elbow macaroni.
And I like the large one. You could add any kind of pasta you want, but I like the elbow. And then we're just going to mix that together. Make sure that the noodles are covered with the liquid, so they absorb that liquid in there. And we're going to cover this and let it cook on low for another 15 minutes. You don't want to let it cook too long because it'll overcook the noodles, so just 15 minutes. And when it's done, it's going to look like this. Look at that. Yummy.
Now I'm ready.
Let's dish it up. Get the big red bowls. Everybody loves our big red bowls.
Yes, they do.
By the way, I got the link for those red bowls right below this video, so you guys can check them out because I love these red bowls. They're great for everything.
And they're the right size, and they're not that heavy either.
Look, some sour cream, some cheese. Let's eat.
I'm ready. Let's go for it. Well, we got it all dished up. Are you ready?
I am.
Okay,
it
let's
smells
try it.
so good. Look at
Back
this.
to this.
I am ready. Yum.
And sour cream.
And cheese.
Cheese.
Oh, yeah.
You're going to like this one.
You are going to like this one. Very good. Wow. Mix up that cheese and sour cream in there, and you can...
I love it.
Beans and meat.
We were talking about pasta earlier.
Yeah.
Here's one of them. We're hungry.
We've been filming all day, so we're really hungry. And sometimes we set them aside and eat them later and go on to the next recipe, but we're eating this one.
It's so good.
Well, as Steve would say, is this the best slow cooker chili mac? If it ain't, it ought to be. We'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Bye. All right, let's eat.
Let's go.
Oh my gosh, it's good.
Well, that's She and Jen, them two girls having too much fun. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.